in the instructions from Golden Eagle, it says copper coat is optional. I have been coating my head gaskets with copper spray for years and years, and I've never had a problem. One time I used a Cometic gasket and I did not use copper spray, and that was the only time that my head gasket has blown. Since then I switched to the Golden Eagle head gasket, and I've been using the copper spray, and I have not had a head gasket blow on me. Knock on wood, just so I don't jinx myself. It's not required to do it, so if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. I like the extra assurance / insurance of having the copper spray on the head gasket, so that is why I do it. But I'm not telling you to go out there and do it. You use your own discretion. Head gasket says up, up, up. Make sure all of the holes line up. Don't forget the dowel pins. The dowel pins can either go in the head or they can go on the block. I prefer to put them on the block after I've put the head gasket on, so that I can position the head gasket so that it's in the right position for when I'm putting the head on the block. All right, we're good. I'm ready now. Dowel pins are in, head gasket is on, it's on correctly. So now I'm ready to put the head on the block and torque it down. For me, this is one of the most stressful parts of assembling an engine, torquing down the head. I had a bad experience one time, so every time that I'm torquing down the head, I just recall that moment of all of the studs pulling out of the block, and it was not very fun. I'm telling you, it is so stressful. So, all right, wish me luck, and here we go. Now all I really have to do is put in the cams. I actually am going to be getting the motor degreed again. The head and the block were refreshed, and also the valve seats. There could be slight differences, so I'm going to go ahead and get it degreed again. Darnell at On the Edge Performance will be doing that for me. Everyone should technically be degreeing their motor if you want to get the most performance out of it, because when you drop in cams and you have cam gears, you can try to guess and retard and advance certain things, but if you're guessing, you never really know where it should be. And with degreeing, you can have it fine-tuned and dialed in to the exact degree on the cams that you need it to be the correct advanced or retard to get the most out of the cams and the motor.